Welcome to solverfy.
Hello student, in the given question in A bit, we have to draw a histogram. So a histogram displays the frequency distribution. Histogram displays the frequency distribution of continuous data. So given the frequency distribution, we will plot a histogram using the class provided. So we have given imports in million as imports in millions and number of suppliers. So up to 5, the number of suppliers are 6, then 5 up to 8, number of suppliers are 13, then 8 to up to 11, 20 suppliers, 11 up to 14, 11 suppliers, and 14 up to 17, 10 suppliers. So we have to draw the histogram. Histogram is given as, so this is the histogram of imports by suppliers. So first column represents 2 to 5, then second represents 5 to 7, 5 to 8, then third represents 8 to 11, fourth represents 11 to 14, 11 to 14, and fifth represents 14 to 17. On x-axis there is imports in millions, and on y-axis there are number of suppliers. So this is our histogram of imports by suppliers. Then in B bit we have to draw the relative frequency polygon. Relative frequency polygon. So a relative frequency polygon shows the distribution. It shows the distribution of data using relative frequencies. Using relative frequencies instead of absolute counts. Instead of absolute counts. So we have relative frequency polygon as, so this is our relative frequency polygon of imports by suppliers. On here also on x-axis we have imports in millions. First point represents 2 to 5 imports, then second point means this point represents 5 to 8 imports, then this point represents 8 to 11, fourth point represents 11 to 14, and last point represents 14 to 17 imports. And on y-axis we have relative frequencies. So this is our relative frequency polygon. Then in C bit we have to summarize the important facts of distribution. So from the provided frequency distribution, the class width, the class with highest number of supplies, number of suppliers is 8 to 11 with 20 suppliers. Then the class with the lowest number of suppliers is 14 to 17 with 10 suppliers. The distribution appears skewed towards the lower import. The distribution appears skewed towards the lower import ranges. Towards the lower import ranges with fewer suppliers in the higher important ranges. With fewer suppliers in the higher import ranges. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you.